What's up, guys? Universal Mastery. So in today's video, what I'm going to be talking about is the spirit of Halloween. Stay tuned. Okay, so the spirit of Halloween is very powerful because this is a time when everyone is getting out of their comfort zone, when people feel comfortable being something they're not. Okay, so people, like, when you get costumes, you put on makeup, you're changing your character. And a lot of people that change their character and have certain costumes, that costume usually attributes to a certain part of their subconscious mind that they resonate with. Okay, a lot of the times. So for example, like whenever it's Halloween, I feel an urgency to be a vampire every single time. I don't know why. This year was a little bit different. I kind of felt like being like an undead, like a skeleton or something. But I got a vampire costume. So, but there's a spiritual, psychological connection there. Okay, so. Once again, this is a time when people are wearing their costumes, and I'm talking about Halloween night, or I'm talking about maybe that like weekend of Halloween or that week leading up to Halloween, wherever you live, that time where people go around and they decorate and they're wearing costumes and they're in that energy of kind of being the rebel, right? They feel this sense of energy being, something else, you know what I mean? And you feel a certain energy from that. So I'm going to tell you the power of Halloween, the spirit of Halloween. So since you have so many people that are essentially more free on this night, that is an amazing time to do any types of rituals or meditations, because you can tap into and tune into all of that freedom, all of that subconscious flow that is out there. So for example, you have all these people wearing costumes, you have all these people having fun, you have these, you have people just not caring about the mundane orders of life, and they're kind of just stepping out of the boundary, being that rebel for that night. You can tap into that, and for example, like let's say you have your Halloween decorations around you. If you go to your altar and you set up your decorations, anything of that nature, you can use that towards your ritual, and that can enhance your results. Okay, it's very powerful. There's a lot of power in Halloween. Okay, so I just want you guys to understand that. So this is a night that you really, 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 really want to dive into and make sure that you spend some time doing a ritual. Okay, and once again, it doesn't have to be that night. It could be the weekend leading up, but if you can get it on that night, go ahead and set up all your Halloween decorations, get into a room, get some incense, get some candles going, get outside, set it up outside, or just get outside and just tune into that feeling of being free and being rebels, and everyone else being rebels, and seeing all their subconscious desires come to the surface, and really look around you. Go ahead, go out. Okay, go out to areas, go to parties where people are dressing up, costume parties, and really pay attention to how people are wearing their different aspects of their own self. Like, I'm telling you this, like 9 times out of 10, someone's going to have a costume that literally has a direct correlation to their spirit. Okay, so you have some girls that are wearing like demonic princess outfits, and then you have some girls that are like cats, right? And then you have some that are vampires, and then you have some that are like, whatever it is, right? There's so many different genres you can be. You have one guy that wants to be a goblin. You have another guy that wants to be a zombie. You have another guy that wants to be a devil, right? And it's just all this stuff. Like, then you got a guy that wants to be Slenderman. They're all connections. You can really learn a lot about people by just observing these connections that you have. So remember, Halloween, the spirit of Halloween, has a lot of significance when it comes to the occult, has a lot of significance when it comes to your own meditational practices, and you can use it to your benefit. Okay, you can use it to your benefit. It will strengthen your ritual work. It'll strengthen your meditations, it'll strengthen whatever it is you're trying to create that night too. So other than that, I'm going to keep this video here. This one's short. Love you guys. Oh, and drop down, hit the like and subscribe button. Also, check out my Instagram. You can give me a follow there. And if you have any questions, feel free to direct message me and drop down first description in my bio. That's going to take you to my merch. And basically, my merch has sigils on it, has a lot of power. Basically, whenever you look at the sigil, you harness this certain type of energy, and everyone that looks at it, you know, strengthens that energy body around you just by wearing this symbol of power. So go check that out. It's going to be in the first link in the description below. Other than that, I'm going to catch you guys on the next video. Peace.